Now, Jaish-ul-Hind, an unknown and unheard organization, has taken responsibility for placing explosives-laden car near Mukesh Ambani's house, Antilia, in Mumbai. In a message on Telegram app, the group called it a trailer and warned it of a bigger attack. In fact, warned through that letter of a much bigger attack, and this is just a trailer, is what the letter says. Here's more on that.
Huge security scare for India's richest man, Mukesh Ambani. 3 days after an explosives-laden car was found parked near Antilia, terror group Jaish-ul-Hind, earlier linked to a plot to attack Israel embassy, has claimed responsibility, saying it placed explosive near Mukesh Ambani's house in Mumbai's Carmichael Road on Thursday. In a message on Telegram app, Jaish-ul-Hind called it just a trailer and warned of a bigger attack. Amid a manhunt to nab the explosive planter captured on camera, the terror group said he has reached a safe house. The terror group even threatens to attack Ambani families and demanded money through Bitcoin to stop them from attacking. Jaish-ul-Hind claimed responsibility for low-intensity bomb blast outside Israel embassy in the national capital on January 29th when beating retreat ceremony was on.
दिल्ली में इजरायली एम्बेसी से कुछ दूर पर आईडी धमाके के बाद मौकाए वारदात से दिल्ली पुलिस को एक लेटर मिला था। उसके ठीक एक दिन बाद टेलीग्राम पर जैश-उल-हिंद नाम के एक संगठन ने धमाके की जिम्मेदारी ली थी। अब बात मुंबई की करते हैं। मुंबई में मुकेश अंबानी के घर के बाहर कार में जो जेलेटिन की छड़ें मिली थी, उस कार से भी एक लेटर मिला था और उसके कुछ दिन बाद जैश-उल-हिंद ने टेलीग्राम पर जिम्मेदारी ली थी। दिल्ली से मुंबई तक ये दो सिमिलरिटी हैं, जिसके बाद जांच एजेंसियां काफी अलर्ट पर हैं और इन दोनों मामलों को लेकर जांच की जा रही है।
Mumbai Crime Branch has, however, refused to comment on the Jaish-ul-Hind's claim and said that all angles are being investigated. A massive manhunt is on to nab two accused, one who parked explosive-laden car near high-security Antilia and the other one who drove the main accused in Innova car out of Mumbai.
The Mumbai police is trying to track the trail of the suspect who was driving a Scorpio car which was later left with explosive inside it outside Antilia. They are also trying to get some clues on how those gelatin sticks were procured, through which they are trying to trace the suspect and entire conspiracy behind this bomb scare. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.